Hello everyone, myself Hardik Samgaria.
Myself Rohit Kohokde.
We are studying in third year B as Division B. So today we are going to discuss building repairs and remodeling.
Firstly, we have came across of the residential apartment, that is row houses. Row houses was of 1 BHK. Because of the increasing number of users, it is transferred to 2 BHK. So basically, the slab connecting room and the terrace of the row house is shifted furthermore ahead, and then in front of the room the terrace is formed, below which is parking is there. So the step-by-step process moves in that is firstly the terrace parapet is being removed, then the column and beam are constructed at specific distance for proper load transfer at corner with a slab which is extended from the old one, and the terrace is formed. There is existing column up to compound wall which is then extended vertically. The column is constructed in middle for the proper load transfer which is below the new terrace. After the terrace formation, then the wall connecting terrace and the new room is constructed with door and window openings in it. Here also there is construction of column and beam at the corner of room, and slab is constructed on it with proper load and forms upper terrace above it. In whole process, the beam are extended from the old one of the structure, in which the process is removing of concrete of the beam, where new beam is going to extend after removing concrete up to reinforcement, and cleaning up to reinforcement is done. New reinforcement is tied with the old reinforcement and the beam casting is done. Similar with column and slab casting, old reinforcement is being tied with new and column, and slab casting is done.
Then we came across with the residential apartment. Here the parking space is going to change to commercial office space. As you can see, the existing parking, the walls are going to build to enclose the space. There is change in the function of the space as the walls are being constructed between the columns. As we have conversation with supervisor that the wall is going to be constructed here with the door and window opening in it. This is the remodeling of the residential space to an commercial space where the workers are going to impose the brick wall in between the columns and just changing the function of the space from residential to commercial.